Listen, if you're trying to grow your hair long, but still dealing with hair fall, dandruff, or constant dryness, then you need to hear this carefully. The problem is not your hair, it's your routine. Most guys think they're doing everything right, using random shampoos, applying oil whenever they feel like it, rubbing their hair dry with a towel. But these small habits are exactly what's slowly destroying your hair quality. Let's fix that. 1. Cleansing. The first thing you need to understand is this. Healthy hair doesn't start from your strands. It starts from your scalp. Your scalp is skin, and if it's dirty, oily, or clogged, your hair will never grow strong. That's why cleansing is not about washing your hair, it's about cleaning your scalp properly. You don't need to wash your hair every single day unless your scalp is extremely oily. 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. Use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo and gently massage your scalp for about 30 to 40 seconds. Not aggressively, just enough to remove buildup and dirt. Now here's where it gets a little advanced. If your scalp gets oily quickly, look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree. And if you're struggling with dandruff, a ketoconazole-based shampoo used once or twice a week can make a huge difference. But there's one mistake almost everyone makes: using hot water. Hot water strips away natural oils and leaves your hair dry and weak. Always stick to cool or lukewarm water. It might feel small, but this one change can improve your hair health more than you think. 2. Conditioning. Once your scalp is clean, the next step is conditioning. And this is where most guys mess up again. Conditioner is not meant for your scalp. It's designed for your hair strands. Applying it on your scalp can make your hair greasy and flat. Instead, apply it from the mid-length down to the ends. Leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off. This step restores moisture, reduces frizz, and gives your hair that smooth, healthy look. Skip it, and your hair will always feel rough and dry. 3. Drying. Now comes the most underrated part: drying your hair. Your hair is at its weakest when it's wet, and this is where most damage happens. Rubbing your hair aggressively with a towel creates friction and leads to breakage. Instead, gently pat your hair dry. If you have a microfiber towel or even a simple cotton t-shirt, use that. It's softer and reduces damage. And if you're using a hair dryer, avoid hot air completely. Use cold air or let your hair air dry whenever possible. This one habit can drastically reduce hair breakage over time. 4. Oiling. Now let's talk about oiling, because this is where most people have been misinformed for years. You've probably heard that applying oil daily is good for hair growth, but here's the truth. Your scalp already produces natural oil. Adding more oil on top of it every single day can clog your pores and create more problems. Instead, use oil or serum on your hair strands to lock in moisture and protect them from dryness. Light oils like argan, coconut, or almond work best. If you still want to oil your scalp, do it smartly. Apply it 1 to 2 hours before washing your hair, not overnight. And one more thing, if you use styling products like wax, gel, or cream, make sure they never touch your scalp. Keep them only on your hair and always wash them out before going to sleep, because leaving product on your scalp overnight is one of the fastest ways to damage your hair. 5. Nutrition. And finally, the most important part that most people ignore: your nutrition. You can follow the perfect routine, use the best products, and still see no results if your diet is poor. Your hair is made of keratin, which is a type of protein. So if you're not consuming enough protein, your hair will naturally become weak. Include foods like eggs, chicken, paneer, or lentils. Along with that, you need healthy fats, vitamins, and essential minerals like zinc and biotin. But there are 2 things people seriously underestimate: water and stress. Dehydration makes your hair dry and lifeless, and high stress levels can directly trigger hair fall. So if your lifestyle is messed up, no shampoo or oil in the world can fix your hair. At the end of the day, strong, healthy, long hair is not about luck or genetics. It's about following the right system consistently. Fix these 5 steps. Cleanse properly, condition correctly, dry gently, oil smartly, and fuel your body with the right nutrition. And within a few weeks, you'll start noticing a real
difference. So, if you're serious about improving your hair, don't wait for the perfect time. Start fixing your routine today, because the longer you delay, the more damage you're doing without even realizing it.